Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an AT&T account and register for internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete activation. Step 1, visit the official AT&T website and click on Check Availability or Shop Internet to explore service options in your area. Step 2, enter your complete address to verify AT&T service availability and see which internet technologies are offered, such as fiber or DSL. Step 3, review available AT&T internet plans, from basic DSL speeds to AT&T fiber gigabit options. Select the plan that matches your household bandwidth requirements. Step 4, click on Select Plan or continue to proceed with your chosen internet package. Consider bundling with AT&T wireless or TV service for potential discounts. Step 5, create your My AT&T account by providing personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, social security number, and service address. Step 6, choose your installation preference between professional technician installation or self-installation if eligible. Schedule a convenient appointment date and time. Step 7, enter your payment information and billing preferences. Review new customer promotions such as gift cards, waived installation fees, or discounted monthly rates. Step 8, review your complete order summary including plan specifications, monthly charges, equipment fees, and installation costs. Accept AT&T terms and conditions and finalize registration. Check your email for order confirmation and installation details. Ensure someone is home during the scheduled installation window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.